opposite caste system, idol worship and Ghulamagi. Arya Samaj some leaders of Lala Hamsaraj and Lala Lakshman. Lala Hamsaraj opened school Dayananda Anglo Vedic School in 1886.
My name is Yashoda. I am studying in 7th grade. Today I will represent social and religious issues. First one is Ramakrishna Mission. Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, his original name is Narendra Dutta. He was born January 12, 1863 at Kolkata. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was described Swami Vivekananda, the true father of Indian nationalism. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa is described and monk. Second one is Theosophical Society. Brahma Vidya Samaja. Madam at New York. Madam H.P. Blavatsky was established. Annie Besant established College, Banaras Hindu College in girls. Banaras Hindu College in girls. Third one is Sri Narayana Guru. She 1854. He was born at Tiruvankur in 1854. 1854 his statement was one God, one religion and one caste. His institution was 1903 Sri Narayana Dharma Paripalana. Thank you.
I am studying in 6th standard. Today we are represent the Maurya Empire. Maurya Empire was the first empire of India. Chandragupta Mayuran established the Mayuran Empire. Chandragupta Mayuran was an adventurous chief. Vishnugupta of Takshashila was infiltrated by the Nanda king of Nanda dynasty. Vishnugupta was rich and an accepted strategist and alliance Chanakya and Kaurya. He trained the Chandragupta Mayuran art of the warfare, helped him establish his army. Meanwhile, Janananda had lost half his confidence with all subjects. Chandragupta Mayuran able to dethrone him easily touched. Chandragupta Mayuran established the Mayuran Empire 2300 years ago, made the Pataliputra, now the Patna, the capital of Bear, as its capital, emperor of Ashoka. After Bindusara his son Ashoka inherited the throne, he was in few places in the world history. He was the first ruler who ruled subjects saying, "Subjects are like my children." Ashoka ruled the Shahabazad, Maneshwara, Kalasi, Lumindia, Saranatha, Sanchi, Bakkal, Pataliputra, Chahasrama, Dilli, Jaganda, Sopara, Sannati, Nalki, Govi, Matti, Keregundi, Jatiga Rameshwara, Pakegundi, Brahmagiri, Keralaputra, Pandya and Chola. The Kalinga War. Ashoka declared the war of the state of Kalinga in the 8th year of his accession to power. This was a significant event of his life. 1 lakh people injured. Ashoka felt painful and decided not pages and wars on his war.
Studying in 8th standard. Today I have to tell you lines about Kushanas dynasty. And important dynasty of the Mauryans is the Kushanas dynasty. Kushanas dynasty is also known as the Kushanas Empire. It was the most influential dynasty in ancient Central Asia. It can be founded early in 1st century. Kushanas dynasty is a powerful dynasty. Kushanas dynasty was founded by three people about Gandhara. Now Afghanistan was ruled by these Kushanas dynasty. Kushanas dynasty was the ancient historical and important dynasty. Kushanas dynasty created Ashwagosha, Sangarashaka, Vasumitra and others. Kanishka and Krishna encouraged the art and architecture. Krishna has great contributions to art, architecture, literature and culture. Totally, Kanishka was a noteworthy king of his dynasty and Krishna's dynasty is the second empire that can be established in India. Thank you for giving this opportunity to tell few lines about our great empire Krishna's dynasty. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ. ನಾನು 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾವು ಇಂದು ಕುಶಾಣ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯೋಣ. ಭಾರತದ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಶಾಣ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಕುಶಾಣ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವು ಮೂಲತಃ ಯುಚಿ ಜನಾಂಗದವರು. ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ರಮಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. ಕುಶಾಣ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವು ಸುಮಾರು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಶಕ 1ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಉದಯವಾಗಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಶಕ 3ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದವರೆಗೆ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಕುಜಾಲ ಕಡ್ಫೀಸಸ್ ರಾಜರು ಕುಶಾಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನದ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕುರುಶಿಪುರ ಎಂಬ ಸ್ಥಳವು ಕುಶಾಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನದ ರಾಜಧಾನಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಕಾನಿಷ್ಕ ಮತ್ತು ಭೀಮಲ ಕಡ್ಫೀಸಸ್ ರಾಜರು ಕುಶಾಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನದ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ರಾಜರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕುಶಾಣ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವು ಹಲವಾರು ಭಾಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಧರ್ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಕುಶಾಣ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವು ಗಾಂಧಾರದ ಗ್ರೀಕ್ ಬೌದ್ಧ ಧರ್ಮದ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಿಶ್ರಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ.